Hi, I have my Jane's Agenda subscription box and I am doing an unboxing of this in today's video and I'm really excited about this. I like to avoid sneak peeks, so you will get my honest reaction to this when I open it up. If you want to see all the goodies in this box, keep watching. Hi, I am Tina and thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. I'm pretty excited. This is from Jane's Agenda and this is her subscription box. It's actually her second box that she has done and I'm really excited about this. And look at my nails happen to match. Isn't that funny? I did not plan this, but it just worked out perfectly. So I like to avoid sneak peeks when I get a subscription box. I really just enjoy being surprised and I like to share that true reaction with you as well. So the box is really cute. It comes with this inside cover on here that says hello and the colors are just really, really pretty. I love this tissue paper in here and it's got her sticker on here. Now she has been very generous in the first box, so this is the second one. I'm just gonna kind of scoop everything out of here. And the size that I ordered is for my classic Happy Planner size. So that is going to be for 9 discs. And I don't know which way, let's see. Oh my goodness. So many goodies in here. Look at all of the goodies. Oh my gosh. So I think what I'm going to do is actually move everything to the side. So the first thing I want to pull out, this is the October subscription. It's the box tour. So this little card is going to tell everything that is actually in the box. And there are 15 items. Oh my gosh, that is so generous. So now I'm going to try to pull the things out of the box as they are in order here. I'm going to do my best to do that. Okay, so the first thing here is a Purple Pilot V5 gel pen with a needle tip. So let's take it out. I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. And this is nice. Ooh, I like it. Let's see. It's got the little gummed. Ooh, it's really fine. Wow, I love that. I'm actually gonna take this card and turn it over and just kind of see like, okay, it's in purple ink. And it writes really, really thin. I sort of had to get it going a little bit. And let's see how, oh, not smearing, so that's good. I like that. The next thing is black Halloween themed paper clips. So here they are. Now Halloween is my favorite holiday. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, so it looks like this is a spider. That's kind of cute, right? Spider. And what is this one? Oh, it's a cat. Look at it. How cute. Okay, I was trying to figure this out because I'm just like, wait, what? So look at, yep, it's a cat. All right, cute. Ooh, I like this next one. Kitchen Measurement Conversion Chart Fridge Magnet. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this. This is going to be so useful. And I love that it's a magnet and you could just put it on your fridge because that's where you need it, right? You need it in your kitchen, on your fridge. Handy. Love it. Now we've got a small quote card on number 1. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. So let me find those. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I love them in all the different colors. Okay, so the first one is Come We Fly. And this is a quote from Winifred Sanderson from Hocus Pocus. Who loves Hocus Pocus? I do. And then we've got Boo Felicia. I myself am strange and unusual. That is a quote from Lydia from Beetlejuice. I love it. Love it. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Okay, so number 7 is a pumpkin spice recipe laminated vellum card in copper foil. This is cute. I love these. Oh, I love these. It is so cute. It's laminated and it's pumpkin spice recipe. I really like that. That's really cute. And then we've got a large Halloween themed quote card. So it's got to be this one right here. I love this card. Look at how beautiful it is with the full moon and the bats just like flying across the moon. I love that. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, "'Tis near Halloween." Oh my gosh, I love it. Halloween, my favorite holiday. I'm loving this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next thing here is a recipe card pack to share your favorite recipes this holiday season with your favorite people. So that is this right here, this pack. So I'm gonna open this up. This looks really, really cute. Let me get it. There we go. Ooh, these are nice. So then on the back is just the card with like some spoons on here. That's really, really cute. And then it's got the recipe from, it gives you the information for prep time, cook time, the oven temp, serves, calories, and then all of your ingredients here, and then your instructions. And it says bon appetit. I love it. And let's see, there's quite a nice little stack. Cool. These are pretty, really pretty. Now we've got the half sheet grocery list planner inserts organized by category. Ooh, I love these. First of all, I love half sheets because those are awesome. And this almost seems like, this is narrower than a half sheet for a classic. Ooh, I like this size. So groceries, and it's categorized. So we've got vegetables and fruit, meats, frozen and packaged, and then bread, pasta, dairy, refrigerated, and then other. Oh my goodness, these are awesome. I love these. I love them. They're like the perfect size because realistically, you don't really need a big piece of paper for your grocery list. I love these. These are awesome. Oh my gosh. So the next thing on here is the food log planner inserts. Great way to keep track of what you eat. Oh my gosh, look at this. These are nice. I love how she packages this, by the way, with her sticker on the side to tuck in the extra. But I always just open it from the top here. Oh, I love the way the paper feels. It's so like smooth and silky. I love that. So let's take a look at this food log. So this says time of meals. I guess you would write down whatever time you had that meal at. Yes, I guess so, right? So these are the different times that you ate, and then you circle whatever day it is that you're logging. Okay, I get it. So here's where you'd put whatever you ate, the calories, fats, carbs, sugars, and protein. Oh, wow, that's really itemized. Now let's see what's on the back side. It's the same thing on the back. So you've got like one side for each day, and then you just circle whatever day and the times that you ate for that day, so that way you can keep track. This is pretty cool. I like this. Ooh, this one sounds neat. Okay, so number 12 is dinner party planner inserts, perfect for a potluck or family gathering. Ooh, these are nice. Dinner party. Let's take them out of here. Now, of course, with COVID, we don't know how many dinner parties we're really going to be having, but this is awesome. So we've got dinner party, the date, time of event, the theme, any appetizers, salads, breads, side dish, main course, desserts, and beverages. And then look, the person that's responsible for bringing that. I love that. Then your guests, and then any shopping list. And I like that it's got the little boxes there for checklists. And let's see what's on the other side. So then tasks and plan ahead items, activities and decor, and then, oh, this area is really nice for seating chart and notes. Okay, well, that's pretty cool if you're going to have like a fancy dinner party, right, where you're going to have a seating chart. I like that. Pretty generous. Going to come in handy. The holidays coming upon us. Okay, now we get into some dashboards. Oh my gosh. So this one is setting intentions with the phases of the moon, a vellum dashboard. This is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so let's, I just want to be careful because I obviously don't want to bend the vellum. Go. Ooh, I'm loving the purple. Okay, so new moon, new beginnings. It's time for a clean slate. Gather your thoughts and create a plan. Make a wish list. Wow, this is really pretty. First quarter, take action. Even if you face obstacles, push forward. It's time to make waves. Setting intentions with the moon. That's what this is actually called. And then here is the fall moon, harvest. It's time to reap what you've sown and collect on past endeavors. And then the third quarter, release and let go. Give up bad habits and let go what isn't good for you. Wow, and then looking on the side here, you've got the phases, like all mapped out for you. October, November, December. Wow, I love this. What great detail, right? That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. All right, now we've got fall themed reversible cardstock dashboards with 2 coordinating designs, printed front and back, and that is this pack right here. And look at that. How pretty is this? Oh my gosh, I am loving this. I love these dashboards. Oh, I love them. They feel so nice. They're cardstock, but they have like a sheen to them, and they're so nice and durable. I love that. And look at the back side. That's really, really pretty. And then here's another one, which is the same, but look at, it's like, to me, it's like a front and back cover, right? It says dashboards that are reversible, but I don't know. These would make really pretty covers. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this. This last one is the White Pumpkins laminated vellum dashboard. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So you could really just like layer, oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. To layer that over that. That's so pretty. Or even like probably over the leaves. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. I love this dashboard. I'm totally going to use this for October. This is gorgeous. And I'm probably going to use this one behind it, I'm thinking, because it says October. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm just wondering how with that, you could probably layer that. That might be really pretty to layer as well. So many different options. I love everything in here, and that is everything. So 15 items. We've got some beautiful dashboards. This is so pretty. I love her laminate. And this one is definitely like a dashboard. It's not as thick as her covers. Her covers are amazing. If you are interested in getting some beautiful new covers for your planners, then go and check out her shop because she's got some really, really pretty things there. So I really have enjoyed the boxes that I've gotten so far from Jane's Agenda. This is the second box that she has put together, and just the first box set the tone. Her subscription boxes were going to be very seasonal, and that's nice. I really like seasonal inserts and dashboards and things like that to add into your planner. I love the fact that her inserts are very minimal, and I really do like the fonts that she uses as well, and the paper is really, really nice. And I've gotten some useful things in the boxes, and I'm really, really excited and very pleased with this subscription box. So if this seems like something that you would be interested in, I will have the link to her shop down in my description box, so you can go ahead and take a look at all of the goodies that she has to offer. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell when you do. That way you'll be notified when my videos come out. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I really had fun doing this, and please be sure to give me a like if you liked it. Follow me on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan, because you'll see things there you don't always see here on my YouTube. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.